is Sheereen Naseem and you are watching United News. Headlines of the day are: PM Narendra Modi hosted India's Chess Olympiad Championship at his residence that was held in Budapest and celebrated their historic double victory. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu have emerged as a major contributors to India's GDP states. India Meteorological Department has issued a red alert cause of heavy rainfall in Mumbai, Maharashtra. A massive fire broke out at a textile factory in Punjab, Amritsar on September 26. No casualties have been reported yet. NCP leader Ajit Pawar says he wants to be a CM but always end up being a deputy CM. India's drug regulator, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, has declared that 53 commonly used medicines in the country are not up to standard. Zelensky invites PM Modi for second peace summit and wants nation to unite against the war. Now the news in detail. NCP leader Ajit Pawar on Wednesday opened up about how he wanted to become a chief minister of Maharashtra but could not move beyond the post of a deputy chief minister. Pawar, who led a split in the NCP last year and joined the Mahayuti government, has served as a state deputy chief minister for a record of 5 times. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hosted India's chess contingent that bagged 2 gold medals at a recently concluded 45th Chess Olympiad that took place in Budapest. India created history securing 2 gold medals both in men and a women category. With this, India ended the 100-year-old wait of bagging a double podium finish for India at international level. Keep watching United News for more such updates. Thank you.